Summit Muse, unit 52, another wall crack, internal problem. Has a nice hydro gap here, so we can do just an interior crack repair. And over here on this wall, same thing, crack. Now where we were outside is where that stoop was, that front step. As you can see here, they're getting water penetration like the other units. He's got floor rot in here. I have to talk to Perry about this and figure out the best solution again. They go back over here in this room. Same thing here. Water penetration along this entire back area.